Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to set up the Make an Offer feature on your Shopify store. By the end of this video, buyers will be able to negotiate both price and quantity directly with sellers, and you'll learn how to manage offers as a seller or a merchant. Make sure your Shopify store is connected and the Make an Offer add-on is activated. This is an additional feature available for $30 a month. Now go to your Shopify store, head to Online Store and then click on Themes. Click on Edit Theme for the theme you want to enable the feature on. Next, from the page selector, click on Home Page, then Products, and then select Default Product. In the left panel, you can locate product information. Click on the downward arrow. You can see the option to add block. Go to Apps and select Make an Offer. Place it wherever you want to on the product page. It is recommended to put it below the price or above the Add to Cart button. Click on the block to customize the Make an Offer pop-up. You can adjust the background color, button text, and other options. Click on Save to apply your changes. You can see it is saved. Now to test this, you can open your product page and view your product on your online store. You can see the button is added here. You can click on the button and add the required details and submit your query.